Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol IDEX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. As a quick recap there, I spent quite a bit of time about, talking about how that level finally was broken to the downside, and because of that, things were starting to look really shaky. Now, I had no idea that it was going to get this bad today, but I mean, like I said, just a good leading indicator there of, the sellers showing up. So there were some people that took advantage of that, which in hindsight now looks like a really good exit point. But it is what it is. So going into next week, let's map out some levels of support and resistance. So the first thing I'm going to do is actually just get rid of these lines. They've served their purpose from now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. But the first key level of resistance that a whole lot of people are going to be watching, so this is not some sort of great discovery on my part, but it's all about that pink line right there, which on my chart denotes the well-known, the very famous 200 period moving average, currently valued at $1.73. If you go through the history of the chart, you can see right there it got rejected. And then once again got rejected right there. So I'm not saying that level can't be broken. I'm just saying that it's going to be one of those levels that it's been established as resistance. So therefore, a lot of people will be noticing it. The good news is that when lots of people are watching a certain level and wondering the same thing, then, not a guarantee, of course, but if the price were to get up to there and then break through it, it's rational, it's a valid thought to have that in and of itself could create quite a bit of upwards buying pressure. So that's going to be the first key level of resistance to watch. Again, it's that $1.73. And then as far as areas of support are concerned, nothing fancy, nothing complicated here, just a matter of where did the bleeding finally stop today. And that was right down there essentially at $1.30. Now I realize there was that temporary little spike down there, but then the price quickly recovered back above there. And then after that, you can see the price just bounced off there from several times, including the last 30 minutes. So those are going to be the two main technical levels again, $1.73 as resistance, $1.30 as support. So let's see what this one has in store next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.